and this is gonna be super easy and super simple for you guys. Can make this. Any one of you guys can make this at home. It's gonna be some mango smoothie with some ripe banana, and I'm gonna make it super delicious and super easy. So basically, I got a medium-sized mango which I cut up earlier. So I'm just gonna show you what you can do. So you can get mango to buy at the local shop or your supermarket, and you can buy fresh mango and just cut it up just like what I did right here. Also keep it into your freezer or your fridge, whatever. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a finger of ripe banana to it like this. All right, nice one. And what I'm gonna do is just grate a little piece of a ginger. Not much. That's gonna just bring in a lovely flavor to it. Alright, that's cool. Really lovely. Also, just gonna squeeze some lemon juice. All right, a little bit of lemon juice, roughly about half teaspoon of lemon juice in it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some water. All right. So the water gonna help to tone down that sweetness from the banana, and we got some lemon inside of it. But it is like summer, and a lot of people so suffer from hay fever. It's good to get some organic honey and put inside of it. That means your body can get to used to the honey, and also for this time of the year. All right, so it's just a little tips I'm sharing with you. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend this. All right, you can put ice, but we're gonna leave it natural. Lovely. So once you blend it, all right, as you guys can see, this is the way it look. Mango and ripe banana smoothie. All right, and you can do that at home. Very simple, but also delicious, as you can see it for yourself. Ripe banana and mango smoothie. All right, yeah. So please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from you guys to use. So stay